What if I tell you that you could tag all the doors inside Revit with just one sentence through Claude AI instantly and completely free of cost? My name is Hamza Abdul Jabbar. I'm an AI construction automation specialist. We have more than 40 plus AI deployments across construction firms globally, and we recently helped the design build firm save 17 hours a week through 4D BIM automation. And right now, we are also developing a 5D BIM cost estimation system. So let's get directly into the video. Okay, so the very first step to tag all the doors inside Revit is that first we have to identify how many doors are actually untagged, right? And the reason for that doing is that we need to be really specific as I'm talking it about, and I talked in my last video, is that we have to prevent chaining all the instruction together. And the only reason for that is because AI will start to hallucinate and it will not perform the way we want, right? And we don't want it to break down. So first we are going to say uh, find all the doors that are untagged inside Revit current view. All right. So what I would do is just I will first find all the doors that are untagged inside my current view, because for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do it for the current view, right? And we are just gonna wait, and we're going to see how AI give us the result. Pause. Okay, so it is saying that the tools are returning success but not surface the detailed element data, and it needs to cross-check tag status directly. So that's how we know that AI is actually understanding the BIM model, going into it, understanding the categories, and cross-checking the tag status, right? Uh, Okay, so it has found 24 untagged doors. All doors in the view are untagged. Okay, it has even given us the element ID, so we can just cross check it and we can see that AI is actually accurate or not, right? It has given us the mark value as well, and it has given us the family type of the doors as well, right? And it has given us the summary like 22 doors belong to single flush doors, 2 belongs to opening doors, and so on and so forth, right? And now, before I go and ask it to tag, let's just say I want to first visualize it. I want to see it for myself, which doors are in tag. I don't want to just blindly believe what AI says, right? So I'm gonna type, okay, color all the untagged doors so I can visualize it easily, right? And I'm gonna press enter. So what it would do is basically it will color all the doors inside my Revit red, so I could see it. I could check the doors that are actually genuinely untagged or not, right? So it is saying that transaction is already wrapped, removing the manual one and retrying, right? Okay, as you can see, there you go. We have got all the untagged doors as red. If I could zoom it, I think we could zoom it a bit. Okay, so I hope you could see it clearly that all the doors are now color coded with red, so I can actually see, yes, there is no tag on the doors right now, right? Okay, so the next step would be obviously to tag them all. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say now tag these doors with their mark values such as 301 A clean, and let's just say I want to give it more instruction like do not overlap and avoid overlapping and tag them cleanly. Okay, I think it's good to go. Let me just give it one more review. Now tag all these rows with their mark values such as 301. Okay, right. So it is good to go. All I'm gonna do is press enter. Now the point of telling them that tag them with the mark values, because sometimes what AI does is it does with, look at that. That was what I wanted to say. That was what I wanted AI to not do. Is basically it has marked these doors with their fire rating values. It has not marked them with their actual mark values, right? So I have to say it again, and I basically didn't give it specific instructions. That basically tells you that how specific you need to be, because AI is not a mind reader. It is going to make mistakes, but if you would be specific enough, it would be right. Now let me show you again. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open, let's just say, snipping tool, As I always say, wherever you stuck, snapshot that, send it to AI so AI can actually see it as well, because AI is not a mind reader, right? Okay, so all I'm gonna do is press enter. I'm gonna paste that image and I'm going to say, you have tagged them based on their fire rating, explicitly mentioned, tag them with their um mark values, such as uh, let me just copy some of them, 302, such as 302A and 302B, and not with their fire rating values, such as 90 minute, um 60, right? And I'm gonna press enter. So according to me, I think it is going to now correct it, because now I have specifically mentioned the mistake that I did was not, I didn't explicitly said it to not mark with the fire rating values. I should have entered this prompt like 90 minutes, 60 minutes. I should have given it an example like I did for the mark values. And this is the reason that you need to be really specific, right? And I could have cut that part out, but I wanted to show you as well, because that's how you specific you need to be. And yeah, as you can see, it has now correctly marked them with their mark values, right? It has tagged them with their actual values. As you can see, you are right. My apologies. So wherever you get stuck, don't just type in plain text, because AI is not a mind reader. Just that snapshot the thing that you got stuck in, or the AI didn't got it right. Just snapshot it, paste it into your cloud, and give it so the AI can actually visualize as well. Then it will, most of the time, 99% of the time, it will correct it, right? As you can see, and it has even given us a recap of what went wrong, like Revit auto selected the door rating tag family the first time, and you can see I can read it all. And as we can see, we have gotten all the door tag cleanly. As you can see how cleanly it is tagged them. There's no overlapping. It is not like cramped onto different elements. It's perfectly cleanly tagged. So you can see exactly how much time it saved me. Manually, I would have to select the tag tool, annotation tool, and I would have to done it manually. And that would have cost me a lot of time. And probably I would have done mistakes by overlapping, right? So AI did it cleanly, didn't messed it up, didn't overlap it, done it cleanly, and done it really instantly, as you can see it for yourself. So give it a try and let me know how it goes for you, right? So this was pretty much it. Hope you liked the video. Play around with it, see how Claude perform the actions when you try to perform it, and do let me know what other kind of automation that you'd like to automate. So I would try it first, and then I will record the video on that as well. Remember, this was a free plan. You could definitely try it on a free plan, but I will just put a note here, because do not try to automate everything at once, like tagging all the rules inside our model all at once. You probably will get it done, but it will like burn your tokens a lot faster. And so go by level, because Claude's still new in this space, and it will probably break down most of the time. It will start to hallucinate, because it will depend upon the complexity of the model you're using, right? So go by level. So if even if you make some mistake, Claude will learn it, and once you get it right, ask Claude to learn it, save it in the memory, and follow it for the next time, and then you can automate all at once. Try not to do it all together, because obviously AI will break down, right? And this was basically connected to GitHub MCP service that multiple that I'm using, but there are certain limitations on that. It is still not that much efficient, so that's why I'm developing my own MCP, and I will share that with you pretty soon. It will be free of cost. You can just copy it from Git. But right now there are some limitations, but still it is really great. 60 to 70% of the time it works perfectly, and as you can see it yourself at how it is working for me, and it can work obviously for you as well. If you need to know how to connect it, just let me know. I will record a video on that, or I will paste the entire breakdown in the video description. You could copy it from there how to connect it. uh, that was pretty much it. Hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.